Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the essentials. Sign in to VPN Super Unlimited Proxy and install the official app on your device. Once done, grant location and network permissions so the app can create a secure tunnel. Make sure to turn off any other VPNs or system proxies to avoid conflicts, because two tunnels break routing. If you have options for account type, choose the plan that matches your speed needs. Now open the app and proceed to the connection screen to pick a server. You'll now configure connection settings. Pick a server region that balances low latency and the content you need. Closer servers usually mean faster speeds. Then select a protocol, UDP for streaming and speed, TCP when reliability matters. Automatic works fine if you're unsure. Once selected, enable protective features like the kill switch to block traffic on disconnect, DNS leak protection, and split tunneling for apps that should bypass the VPN. Finally, tap Connect and wait until the status shows secure. To finish, verify your new IP and that DNS leaks are prevented so traffic truly routes through the VPN. Test a few sites and apps to confirm access. If speeds are slow, change servers, switch protocols, or reboot your router and the app. These often solve routing bottlenecks. If a site blocks you, enable obfuscation or pick another country, and if problems persist, gather logs and contact support. One key tip: always test after changes to confirm the fix worked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.